Alright guys, I got something really exciting that just came in the mail that I want to show you guys. Before I start installing it in the S2000. See if we get this open here. We got a package in from Stanceparts. So we have a 2-gallon air tank that came with the kit, a compressor from VI Air, show you the logo there, 4 air cups, the solenoid, one's going to be for the rear, one's going to be for the front. This line here is going to be going to the air tank, or from the air tank, and these are all the lines that you're going to be needing. And these are all a bunch of little bits here and there. These two pieces are going to be, so one's going to be for the front, and you're going to put it basically in between the front wheels. One's going to go to one side, the other one's going to go to the other. Same as this. Alright, so I'm going to be putting the compressor inside of here. Let's see if it fits. While we're running the wires for the compressor, I'm going to be running it under the windshield wiper seal here. And I decided that while I'm down here, I might as well change out the air cabin filter. And this is it right here. It's held in by this clip. Whew, look at that. It's filthy. Let's see what it looks like compared to the new one. I don't see a difference. Alright, so I snapped out the old one. Had to take out these 3 clips. Put the new one in, trash the old one, and guess we're gonna slide it back in. That's what she said. Alright, so I ran the positive wire through the car, through all the side door sills, and through the engine bay, up to the battery. This is my dad helping me out on this. Usually knocking out projects on the car together. Alright, so following the diagram, now we're starting to connect some of the switches to the relay. Looks like from the compressor, goes to one end, goes out to the other to the front, then we put a fuse to it, and then to the battery. Then we'll start grounding stuff and connecting it to the pressure switch, and then the key to turn it on and off. Right, so the original switch for the air cup suspension is this one here, but I wanted to use the original controls from the S2000 that I don't use. I don't even have the board for it anymore. I just keep my air-fuel ratio gauge there. I would put this toggle switch inside of here, put some JB weld in there, the quick weld, so that it doesn't move, and then I'll be putting on this cap on top, and then I'll be able to go up and down just from there, so it's hidden. going to feed one more wire under the carpet to get to the bottom. Slide it through here and dig it out in the little hole that I have under the tank. We're running the air lines. First we're going to do the ones from the front, and I put it down there through the spare tire well, and going down here alongside of the fuel lines. Just going to tuck it in under these brackets, maybe zip tie them just to keep it secure, and go all the way down. Here goes the blue lines that are going to be running to each side. So here's the flow controller I gotta put between the rear wheels and the front wheels. Really easy to connect. Just snap it right in, push it in as hard as you can, and voila. Now we're doing the T-splitters for the left wheel and the right wheel. So I got left one in, routed it through here, and it's going to be going up to the top of the strut. And let me grab my right one, and this one's going to be it here. Snap it in. Boom. Tuck that back inside. So we have the line coming out of the tank plugged in, 2 lines going to each axle, and all plugged in going down. And then we have the line from the compressor that goes to the remote filter going down through here, coming out behind the carpet, and I have it tucked away in the corner back here. So I think now we can test and see if this will turn on. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but we just turned on the car, test out the compressor and see if everything's running good. Don't see any air leaks anywhere. This is the line. I still haven't connected it to the cups. We still haven't installed that yet, but here it is. Alright, looks like it's working.
Trying to forget, I'm not like you left me, I'm not saying sorry, oh, come down off your pedestal, baby, maybe we can keep it a secret, oh, keep me a secret. Keep me secret.